Hi, welcome to the Craft Channel. My name's Corinne Brad, and today I want to show you a quick project to brighten up your Christmas wrapping, or in fact, any day wrapping. It's all about the hand drawing aspect of it, and it's all about creating something a little bit different using metallic pens on, these are scrapbook papers and papers that I've hand dyed with streaks of ink, which is a demo for a whole nother day. And it's one of those things, I haven't drawn properly since I was at school. So when somebody said to me, "Oh, can you draw something?" and I was like, "Oh, I don't draw. I can draw templates, and I can do rough things, but the flow is not there." What's been great is doing the preparation from this is the muscle memory has come back to me, and hopefully, if you haven't drawn for ages, this is an ideal project to get you thinking about starting again. So I've got some pens here. These are Stabilo Pen 68s, and they're metallics. They're about a 1.4 nib. And we'll pick out the green, the bright green, the pink, the copper is really nice, and the blue. And I'm just going to show you this on white paper so you can see the marks coming up more easily. But they work, as you can see, equally well on coloured papers. So first of all, to start, grab a green pen, and just do some sloping curves. And rather than trying to do curves in an angle that's different to how you would normally draw, move your paper instead of moving your hand, so you can get that nice flow. Once you've done that, you can decide on where the top of your branch is and start putting some little stems in. I'm just going to put my glasses on to make sure I am joining my stems up to my main stem. And I've found that in doing it this way, like a repetitive action, is much easier than drawing a whole branch and then another whole branch and then another whole branch. Grab a different green and then just draw in your leaf shapes. And again, turn the paper to make your hand as comfortable as possible. The pens dry quickly on a decent paper. You don't want anything that's too absorbent. But what you want to make sure is as you're moving around the page, you're not then smudging your work with your hand. And this is a really nice, almost meditation-like project. I mean, it might not look it at the minute because I'm doing it quickly. But if you're doing this in the comfort of your own living room, it is quite relaxing, just the action of putting pen to paper. I'm just going to put some shadows on here. Oh, I've missed a leaf off there, but you get the gist of what I would have done if I'd remembered that there was another stem over there. And then we'll fill in some of the gaps with some seed heads. Seed heads again, just draw a stem, draw a cup, and add the extra little stalks. And I think this is why these designs are so popular, because they're so easy to draw. Add little seeds to the top of them. And the other thing that you can do is, if you find that you've made a mistake, which we all make mistakes, I make mistakes all the time, is you can just make sure that if you're using this to wrap a present up, you stick your gift tag over the mistake, and then no one will know. We'll do some little flowers, little 5-pointed flowers. And then the trick that I've found for filling in all those little empty spaces is if you just go around putting little dots of 3 dots randomly, it kind of pulls the whole design together because it looks like a properly designed background. And it's as simple as that. Fill your whole sheet and then just doodle to wrap your presents this year. It's something that's just, you know, even if you just want to put simple 8-pointed stars on a dark background. So I hope you like that. So these are 1068s, they're metallic. They come in a very handy tin. And if you're sensible, you put them back in the tin so you know where they are for next time. And talking of next time, we hope you'll come and see us again very, very soon. Thanks for watching. If you've been inspired to create, please share your makes with us in the comments section below. And if you've enjoyed videos by the Crafts channel, hit the like button. Want to see